So, what are the reasons for school attendance difficulties? Academic competitiveness and pressure. How many of our children just cannot cope with that? Okay, they don't need to have special educational needs for any of this to apply, by the way. Fear of getting it wrong or being less. Now, we know that one of the major difficulties in the presentation of autism, for instance, and we learn this from our autistic peers, is this pathological fear of getting something wrong and how crippling that can be, because actually then it leads to not wanting to take any kind of risk. But actually, if they feel that they're going to be ridiculed by getting it wrong, and they don't quite understand the severity or non-severity of getting it wrong, then it can lead to school attendance difficulties. Separation anxiety. I know I've got 4 children. One of my children has particular separation anxiety, and we have to work really, really closely with her with certain strategies to really help build bonds with other caregivers like teachers to be able to ease that separation anxiety. But remember, it's really important not to tear a child away from their parent. There's nothing wrong with the connection. If a child is feeling really connected to a parent, there's nothing wrong with that. We shouldn't be pulling them away and ripping them apart and tearing them at the school gates away from parents. It's really important that that is done very delicately, because it can be very traumatizing. I have a friend whose daughters are very, very close to her, and the bond is absolutely beautiful to watch. They're really, really close, and they feel very safe and very secure with their mum. And one of them was having particular difficulties after lockdown going back into school, as many children were. And a teacher told her that she said to mum, you need to stop telling your daughters you're going to miss them. And I thought, oh no, why would you say that? Of course you're going to miss your children. We have to teach them how to manage those emotions, not completely shut them off. So separation anxiety is not a bad thing. We just need to manage it.